Welcome to all my dear student in this online lecture. This is your computer lecture for standard 1, 2, 3 and 4, and today's our topic is Notepad. In the previous lecture we also studied this topic Notepad. In this lecture we continue this topic so you can understood clearly how to open the Notepad, what is the Notepad window and how it works. So I am your computer teacher and my name is Shweta Yadav. So see in this lecture what we study. And before starting our lecture, I hope you all are fine at your home. Take care of yourself, wash your hand continuously with the alcohol based hand rub, cover your mouth and nose with the mask and avoid the close contact who has cold or flu-like symptoms. See, in the previous lecture we studied that how to start Notepad, what is Notepad window and how to write numbers and letters. So, see, this is the first window. You can see this picture. Yes. So, this is our desktop picture of my laptop. This is our desktop window. The first starting window that we see on the monitor screen, we call them desktop window. See these windows, this is a first screen of my laptop window, so I call them desktop window and I show this picture so you can understand that what is a desktop window. See, this is the first screen of laptop or desktop or monitor or PC, we call them desktop window. Yes, we call them desktop window. See now, how to start Notepad. How to start Notepad. So, first of all, the desktop window, we have to start our Notepad, computer. Then, what we have to do in the desktop window, you can see this the background. This is a desktop window of my laptop. If you are having a computer, then you have another window of your computer, desktop window. So in this window you have to search that type her to search. So where it is at bottom of your desktop window. You can see the my cursor moving on the bottom of your desktop window. Yes, see this here is written the type here to search. You can see here type here to search. We have to just click there. We have to just click there on the search tab. We call them what? Search tab. So it is our search tab. Whatever you want to find, you have to just search here. So we have to just click here to search any program, any file in your computer. Understanding, student? The desktop window and the search tab. Now in the search tab, what we have to do? We have to find our Notepad program. So what we write here? Notepad spelling. So what is a Notepad spelling? N-O-T-E-P-A-D. Notepad. So it is a Notepad spelling. We have to write here at the type search and just enter key. So see here, I am writing here Notepad. You can see this N-O-T-E-P-A-D, Notepad. So it is our Notepad spelling written here. So see here the Notepad icons display here. This is our Notepad program and this a notebook is a icon of a Notepad window. So here the Notepad window will appear if we are clicking here. You can see the my cursor moving here. This is a Notepad program and we have to click here. So I am clicking here. Then see this Notepad window will be appear on your desktop screen. You can see here the desktop and the Notepad window. This white color plain page. It is the same as our textbook page or notebook page and we call them Notepad because we have to write anything. So we use this Notepad program. What? if we want to type anything, write letters, numbers, or we also drawing the picture also, but not in a notepad. For drawing we use another program. In the higher standard we study that, but right now we uses a notepad for a writing, for a typing. Yes, so notepad is for write a letters, numbers, words, paragraph, or letters, paragraph, yes, essay, whatever you have to write in this, you write using the keyboard. Which device? Using the keyboard. You have to press the keyboard keys and the numbers or letter will be displayed on this notepad window. Yes. Okay, now see, this is our computer desktop window. You can see this window. This is our desktop window. What? The first screen that we see, it is our desktop window. Yes, it is our desktop and window. Now you can see this on-screen keyboard. I am just display this keyboard, so you can see this the keyboard keys and which key we have to press from the keyboard. Yes, students. So this is, for example, your keyboard that you have, and right now I am using this keyboard for typing. So first of all, the first step, what we have to do, we have to find the search window from the desktop screen. So where is the search window? Search tab, the bottom of the desktop window. Where? The bottom of the desktop window. So where is the bottom of the desktop? Yes, this line, you can see this is called the task bar. What we call them? Task bar. We call them task bar, and task bar have a number of program lists that open on this computer. Right now I am opening one PPT here and one this keyboard here. So it will display here another, the display the charging, volume, keyboard type. Yes, this is a date and time. Yes, so this is a task bar. From the task bar we have to find the type here to search. You can see this type here to search is written here. So what we have to do? We have to just click here. So I am clicking here. Then what I have to do? From the keyboard I want to write notepad spelling. So N O. You can see I am just pressing the N and O, then here the notepad spelling is appear and the icon will be appear. So this is our notepad program. What? Notepad program. You can see here the notepad program, notepad icon. So what we have to do here? We have to just click here. So I am clicking here, then which window will appear? This window. Which window it is? Notepad window. Which window? Notepad window. By clicking on the notepad icon, the notepad window will be appear the white color page. It is our notepad window. From this desktop we have this notepad window. And what is the use of notepad program? For typing letters, numbers, paragraph, essay, whatever you have to write, you just write in a notepad window. So see the first, the buttons on the notepad window. So you can understand then which button is used to close, which button is used to open, which button is used to window smaller, bigger, which button is used to minimize, maximize. Yes, first of all, see the main button that which is we use, this is, you can see this, it is called the maximize button. Which button? Maximize button. By clicking on this maximize button, what we do? we do the window bigger. Window bigger. Now see, I am clicking here, then the window come bigger. You can see again I am clicking there. You can see again I am clicking there. Then we what do? Window become smaller. Window become smaller. Again I am pressing this button, then window become bigger. So you can understand the square button program for minimizing or maximizing the notepad window. Now you can see this cross button. It is a close. For close the notepad program, we use this cross red color button. You can see this red color button. It is used to close the notepad window. And now see this minimize button. What is the use of this key? Just see here right now. I am clicking here, then notepad window will disappear from the screen. You can see the notepad window will disappear. Then where it is? It is at the bottom of the taskbar. You can see the taskbar is here, and here is the notepad icon. You can see this. This is a notepad icon. By moving cursor on this notepad window will display here. So what we have to do? We here just click. Then again this notepad window will be open. Yes, the notepad window will be open. So again I am pressing this, then window will be disappear, and again I am moving my cursor here and just click. Then again the notepad window will be appear. So you can understand this three button: minimize, and this restore down, and then close button. Now come here. You can see here written untitled notepad. What it is? The name of the notepad file. What? The name of the notepad file. By default the name is untitled because we are not giving any name right now in this notepad file. So it is untitled notepad window. Now see this file tab. You can see here the FILE file. You can click here, then the another menu will display here. New window. You can see the new window, open, save, save as, print, and exit. This all we can see in the next lecture, but right now we are just showing here so you can understanding. Then the file window is used to open, save, print, exit, and the new file. In the edit we have another options. Format, in we have a word wrap, we have a font. So in the font, what we have to do? Select here any font that you want to write. For example, just I am using the Elephanta, and the regular and the size I choose 36 number, and what we have to do? OK. Then number format is here. In the view tab or help tab is the another window for this notepad program. But we mostly use this format window for the font selection, and the file window for open, save, print, and exit. So let's start. First of all, what I am doing? I am doing save file. What I am doing? I am saving my file in the computer. So for that, save button, what I am doing? Just click on the file, then save, and here you can see here the blue line txt written. Click here, and then from this from this keyboard, press the backspace key. What? Press the backspace key. First of all, click here, then backspace. You can see the erasing the text. See here the text will be erased using this backspace key. Using this backspace key. So now written whatever you have to write here file name. For example, I am giving here demo demo 1. I am giving here name demo 1 and then here save. So you can see here the demo1 name.txt is come here. So it shows we are saving the file. It will be saved on our computer. The demo1 name is come here, then it means we are completing a saving task. Yes, so now our file is saved here. What? Now our file is saved here. So what we have to do right now? Now we are starting writing. Yes, so let's start our writing. For that we use our keyboard and our both hand. Not only one hand, students, we have to use our both hand for typing. What? Both hand for typing. You can see here this line you can see here, it is blinking here, appear, disappear, appear, disappear. You can see it is a blinking line. What? A blinking line. You can see here the blinking line. It is called a cursor. What? It is called a cursor. The cursor shows the current position on our notepad screen. Here is the starting position, the top left corner. Whenever we are starting writing, then this cursor is moving on the right side. Where? Moving on the right side. So first in the previous lecture, what we write? The numbers, right? So again in this lecture we are writing numbers so you can understand clearly. So for that we are using this keyboard. So write first of all one number. So find where is the one number? Here, the left keyboard, the first row is all the number keys 1 2 0. You can see here the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 0. This number is here for writing the numbers. Yes, so first click here 1, then you can see here the 1 is written here and the cursor moving after the 1. Then which number? 2. You can see here the 2 number is also written. Then which number? 3. So you can see here the 3 number also written. Then which number? 4, 5, 6, 7. So here the 4, 5, 6 and 7 number written. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and after 7 this cursor will blink here. So next number where display? Here. And which number? 8 number. So where is the 8 number key from the keyboard? Find the 8 number. Here is the 8 number. So we are pressing the 8, 9 and now 10 number. So here is the not 10 number. Here is only 0 number. So for 10 number, which number we have? 1, 0, 10. So here we also find 1 and 0. So here the 1 and 0. Then the 10 number will written here. So simple it is. So simple, right? We are written here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 numbers here. Yes, students, we are written here 10 numbers. Okay, now see, I want to go to the next line. Here I want to come in the next line. So which key we will use to go to the next line? In the previous lecture I will say that. Which key, students? Which key is used to go to the next line? Which one? Enter key. So where is the enter key from this keyboard? Where is? Here. E-N-T-E-R. You can see here the spelling also written, and E-N-T-E-R, enter. So what we have to do? We have to just press the enter key and see the cursor move on the next line. You can see here the cursor come in the next line. Again see, I am just clicking here, then cursor come here. So again I am pressing the enter key. Now see the cursor. Yes, it comes to the next line. Yes, it comes to the next line. Yes. Now see, in the first line we just pressing 1, 2, 3 and 10 numbers. But right now in the next line, what we have to do? Use our space bar key. What? Use our space bar key. And what is the use of the space bar key? In the previous lecture I told them write in this notebook, and also I am written in the notepad window also. So spacebar keys used to put a space between numbers and letters. What is the use of spacebar key? To put a space between letters and numbers. So see, where is the space bar key? Where is? Find. Where is the space bar key? The longest key on the keyboard. Which one is the longest key? This one. You can see this is a longest key from the keyboard, and it is our space bar key. Now see, first I am write a 1. You can see here the 1 number is written. Now I am pressing this space bar. Pressing, then here you can see here the 1 space here. This is a space. You can see this is a space. Now press a 2 number. Now see the difference here. In the first line there is a no gap between 1 and 2, but in the next line we have a gap 1 and 2, and here is the 1 space. So by pressing this space we put a space. Now see, in the after 2 we also have a space. Now 3 numbers, then space, then 4, then space, then 5, then space, then 6. You can see all number between 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, we have a 1 space. Yes, you can see the difference between one line and the second line. Now after 6, again space, then 7, then space, then 8, then space, then 9, and then space, and last number 1, 0, 10. Now see the difference between the first line and the second line. See the difference. This is our first line without spacing, and this is our second line with spacing. Yes, so you can understand the use of this key. Now in the next line, see what I am doing. Pressing the enter key, and the arrow will be in the next line. We are pressing the alphabetic key now. ABCD letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. They all alphabetic numbers written here. By pressing these numbers, find the A letter, B letter, C letter, D letter, E letter, F letter. Yes. Now again I want to just write these numbers, letters using the space bar key. Same as here, putting a space between numbers, and now putting the space between letters. So enter key again, then the cursor come here. So again A letter, then space, then B, then space, then C, then space, then D, then space, then E. You can see the difference here. AB between space, BC between space, CD between space. Using the space bar, we putting the space. Yes. Then E after space, F space, G space, H space, I space, J space, K space, L space, M space, N space, O space, P space, Q space, R space, S space, T space, U space, V space, W space, X space, Y space, Z. Now see the difference. See the difference of first third number line without spacing and the second last line 4 number with the spacing alphabetic numbers. Yes, so which one is good? Which one is good? Better? Last one, na? Because it's look very nice with the space between the letters. Yes, so we uses enter key to go to the next line and uses a space bar key for put a space between numbers and letters. We will see here, right? We will see here. So now see in the next line. See, I am pressing the enter key and arrow moving down. Now in the next line we write words. What? Words. We write numbers, we write letters. Now it's done to write words. What? Words. So first word which we have to write. For example, I am write here our school name. What? Our school name. And what is our school name, students? What is our school name? Mahdi English School. Yes. So we write here spelling of Mahdi. So what is the spelling of Mahdi, students? What is the spelling of Mahdi? M-A-H-D-I. Mahdi. You can see here the Mahdi is written M-A-H-D-I. So we are written here one word. What? We are written here one word. Mahdi. Then what? Then the one word is completed. So come to the next line. Next line, enter key. Now second word, English. Which word I want to write? English. So what is the spelling of English? E-N-G-L-I-S-H. English is written. The one word is completed. Yes, Mahdi, and the second word English is completed. Now press the enter key and come to the next line. Now which numbers? School spelling. Which word? School. The spelling of school is S-C-H-O-O-L. The school spelling is also written. So you can see we are write here word. What? We are write here words. Now see, come to the next line. So we are pressing the enter key again and the cursor will come here. Now I want to write Mahdi English School in a one line, but put a space between word now. What? Put a space between word now. We are putting a space between number here. Now we are putting a space between letter here, but now we are putting a space between this word here. So first spelling Mahdi we will write. So write a spelling from the keyboard. A-M-A-H-D-I. Mahdi will written. Now put a one space. Using the space bar, you can see here the one space is come here. Now which the second word English. So write the spelling of English. E-N-G-L-I-S-H. English will written. So again put a space after completing the word. Now the last one which remain, school word. So write the spelling of school. S-C-H-O-O-L. So you can see here the all words come in the one single line and put a between one space after the word. You can see the Mahdi, then space, then English, then space, then school. So the words come in the single line. So it come a sentence one here, Mahdi English School. Okay. Now see, come to the next line and write a one line. For example, I am writing here the use of enter key. So write the spelling E-N-T-E-R. You can see that I am from the keyboard I am pressing the letter E-N-T-E-R, and the enter comes written here. Then what? Spelling, because the one word is written, then put a space. Enter key is. Now I as is written here. You can see here the is written here. Now put a space. Enter is used. U-S-E-D. You can see here the used spelling is written, then put a space. Enter is used. T-O-2, then space. Go, G-O, go, then space. Used to go to, T-O, again T-O-2. Used to go to the, T-H-E, the. You can see the spelling is also written. Then after the, press a space bar key, put a space. Enter is used to go to the next line. E-N-E-X-T, next, space, L-I-N-E, line. You can see, and last, full stop. You can see here the full stop. So here the one full stop also print. So see the full line sentence. Enter is used to go to the next line. Understanding, student? Using the words space bar key, enter key, full stop, we are completing here one sentence. Yes, so we are come to the sentences. So today's our lecture is stop here. In the next lecture we are continue to write sentences. We are come to write sentences. So bye everyone. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.